Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering credentials and choosing the device you'll sign in on. Enter your Apple ID, email, and password. This proves who you are to Apple's systems. Once done, make sure your device has a reliable internet connection and correct date and time so authentication tokens validate. If you don't remember the password, use the reset flow now. Starting with correct credentials avoids lockouts and speeds the rest of the process. Next, you'll handle two-factor authentication to prove ownership. After entering credentials, watch for a verification prompt on another trusted Apple device or receive a code by SMS. Type that code exactly. If asked, decide whether to trust this browser or device. Trusting reduces future prompts. Once verified, you'll see iCloud service options. Select the apps and data you want to sync. This step controls what stays in iCloud and why those permissions matter for backups and continuity. To finish, verify iCloud appears under your account settings and that chosen services begin syncing. Check iCloud storage to confirm uploads. If you plan to stop using a device, sign out and remove it from your account to protect data. If sign-in fails, first restart the device, recheck network and date/time, then attempt the password reset flow if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: enable airplane mode briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.